All right, there are some properties of numbers that are very important. A property that you're very familiar with is called the commutative property. I don't have to teach this. Commutative property. Commutative property. And what that says is that if I have a number, 3 plus 4, that's the same as if I had 4 plus 3. Correct? Yes? Now, so you would say that the property is true with addition. Correct? Yes or no? If you had a number that was 3 times 4, or 4 times 3, are both of these the same? Yeah. This is 12 and this is 12, isn't it? This is 7 and this is 7. So you okay with that? Yeah. Okay. However, if we say instead, and we saw it on the test, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3. Is that the same? No. So for subtraction, it doesn't really work, does it? It doesn't work. It works for multiplication, yes? And it works for addition, but does it work for subtraction? Does it? Are these the same? No. This is going to be -1. This is going to be negative. This is going to be -1, +1, right? Yes. But couldn't I say this? Couldn't I change these to addition and then let me check? Okay. So I'll say 3 plus a -4, and then -4 plus 3. Are they the same? Are they? Is this the same? Yes. Yes, those are the same because I changed it to addition. Now, that was a property. The commutative property is a property you learned many moons ago. We're going to learn another property today. Distributive property. Distributive property has to do with this. Let's say I have a number. Okay? Let's just use numbers. Okay? Is that okay? Let's say 3 plus 4. What's 3 plus 4? But we're going to pretend we don't know what that is. Is that okay? Is that all right? Yes? Okay. And we're going to say 2 times that. What's the answer going to be? We know what the answer is going to be. What is it? 14. Good. But we're going to do this in pieces. What's 2 times 3? So we're going to say that this times this, and then this times that. Can we do that? Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah. Yes? So what is 2 times 3? 6. What is 2 times 4? 8. Bring down the plus sign. 8. And what's that equal? 14. Or we could just say this. We could say 2 times 7, 14. Easy? Yes. Right. Let me ask you this. What's A times A? What does that equal? 2A. No? A squared. Yeah, now that's very important. Very important. What is A plus A? 2A. This is 2A. This is A squared. It's different, isn't it? Okay, good. Now, let's look at this. Let's do another one, okay? Let's say A plus B multiplied by A. Okay? What is A times A? Eddie? A squared. A squared. What's A times B? Bring the plus sign, AB. You get it? Yes or no? Easy? That's all it is. That's all we're doing. We are distributing a number through there. Now let's look at this. This is an interesting one. Okay, you ready? If I have this, let's say a squared minus 2a minus 4. All right, you all right with that? And let's say I just have a negative sign out there. What do I do? What's that negative sign? What does that mean? What does it mean? What is it? What's understood? It's a negative what?
Negative sign.
Yes, thank you. It's a negative sign. But what is it in reality? What is it? A negative what?
Negative 1.
It's a negative 1, isn't it? I'm going to draw the invisible 1 in, okay? But we don't see that, do we? That's just what our mind sees, yes? Do you see that with your eyes, Veronica, that 1? No, you don't. You just see that with your brain. You don't really see that, right? But you know it's there, right? But you don't see that with your eyes, but you know it's there, right? Can you see that 1?
Yes.
No.
No, you can't. Okay, you can't see it, right? Okay, so what is negative? So if I say negative 1, what's that times a positive a squared? What is that? What is it?
Negative a squared.
Veronica, are you paying attention? All right, good. Negative a squared. Negative sign times negative 2a. What's that, Veronica? You can do it. You can do it. Don't do it for her. Let her do it. You can do it. Negative times a negative is a. Yes, thank you very much, Veronica. You look like Veronica. You do. What's wrong with you, dude? Veronica? What is negative times negative 2a? All right, how about this? If I say this, negative 1 times negative 2a, what does that equal? What is it equal? All right, let's do another one. What's negative 4 times negative 4? What's that? Go ahead, let her do it. Hold your tongue. What's 4 times 4? 16. What's negative 4 times negative 4? Positive 16, right? Negative times negative, right? Right? Good. Excellent. You can do this. So what's negative 1 times negative 2a? That's right. Positive 2a, right? Very good. Right? Isn't it? Negative times negative is a positive. 1 times 2a, that's exactly it. Well done, Veronica. Excellent. Excellent. Well done. So that's going to be a positive 2a. Question, what's negative times negative 4?
Positive 4.
Positive 4. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Do you get it?
Yeah.
You're simply distributing, you're multiplying what is outside the parentheses with what is inside the parentheses. That's all you're doing. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. So I'll stop this, we'll make another one, maybe put some problems on the board and see if we can answer them. Okay? Easy? Thank you for your support. And you know what? Scoring never stops. All right, good.